If we want to introduce all those elements, prospecting, demo, B2B, that's a thing, that's an 8-week thing on its own. We can't cover that in 4 hours. I can't even cover follow-up in 4 hours. Good morning, round of applause. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful morning. Funny Monday. And then Tuesday's what?
Treasure Tuesday.
Treasure Tuesday. Here we go. Treasure Tuesday. Then what's Wednesday?
Wealthy Wednesday.
Wealthy Wednesday. I love that. Well, let's start with some wins, team.
So our win from the sales team, last week we did about 80K, which was almost double what we did in the first 2 weeks. So big shout out to the team for a lot of energy and effort.
She's been performing at a level I've never seen it before, so I'm very proud, very surprised, but also very happy. And Christy, I really want you to keep that level up. You're awesome.
Nice. I think as an immigrant, we have to understand the reality that this is not our hometown. So we have to almost work twice as hard just to prove to other people. You have a language barrier, we have to get over that, right? You can use that as an excuse and say, hey, I'm not going to try, or you can say use that as a fuel and say, I'm going to prove you wrong. You just keep watching. You become so successful, they cannot even deny that.
The one and only Dan Law.
He said, don't think, oh my God, it's the big problem, the big problem. He said, always point at yourself and say, little me, because the problem is bigger than me. It's like, I need to expand so I can tackle on bigger things. And as we grow, we just tackle on bigger and bigger and bigger problems, right? They don't think of, I'm shortening the gap. So feeling overwhelmed is a very, very good thing. And in fact, I would say if in every quarter, every 6 months, if you feel you're not overwhelmed, chances are you're not growing. Because you are solving problems without a whole lot of effort, that means you're solving the same problems again and again, you're not growing, period. Team Denlock is about very healthy nutrition meal, so you don't see any of this. We don't eat.
Just today.
We only eat salad. We only eat salad, okay? So it's normal, like for the whole team, if we feel overwhelmed, don't feel, oh my God, I shouldn't share that I'm overwhelmed. No, it's a period of time. Now, everybody's different though. Some people, they may stay for a couple months. Some people might stay for like quite a few months, and that happens too. And then show the complete collection first. This is not as good as this. This shows the playing. Why not just do the ebook just exactly the same color? Like,
Yes.
let's try this. Just use exactly the book cover.
Yeah, that's exactly what I gave people.
This is too yellowish.